The pasture quality here is excellent. Agreed. The Charolais look incredibly healthy. This rotation is working well.
The pasture quality here is excellent.
Yes, the rotation is working perfectly. The herd looks great. Step up, girl. Nice and steady. Yeah. Clear on the right. She's moving well.
Scan results are clear. Auscultation is normal.
Confirmed. Vitals stable at 38 degrees Celsius. We are good to finalize the report.
Everything looks good with the Siamese here.
Agreed, doctor. The inspection is complete and fully documented. It looks good up here. How about the underbelly?
All clear. We are good to proceed.
A37 approaching gate 4, clear the transfer path.
Confirmed, B. Gate is open and ready for intake. Sending scan data now.
Watch the edge on the left.
I see it. Bringing it to station 3.
The measurements are spot on. Quality check approved. Send it to the cutter.
The measurements are exact.
Perfect grain on this hide.
Looks good.
Move it to the cutter. The smoothness is perfect here. Yeah. Yes, the adjustments worked. We can move this batch to finishing.
Check the consistency on this side, near the edge. It's exactly uniform, sir. All parameters are met. Excellent. Record it and send it for washing immediately.
Checks complete. Everything is running smoothly.
Agreed. The water quality is optimal. Check the consistency of the dye application. The automated system is keeping it perfectly even. Laser reading shows a minor irregularity here. Understood. The batch is approved for coloring. Update the log.
The color consistency is excellent. We can approve this batch.
Confirmed. Logging the quality report now.
Check the dimensions again on these.
Verified. I've updated the inventory record. We can move these to the racks.
Check this lot number against the manifest.
Confirmed. All records match the physical count.
Excellent. Move to the next section.
All batch numbers align with the digital record, Supervisor. Let me see the consistency report. Yes, the tensile strength is within tolerance. Approved. Excellent work, team. The quality meets all standards. We can approve this batch. Excellent work, team. The quality meets all standards. We can approve this batch.